Welcome to Money Talk JA, the channel where we break down Jamaican business, wealth, and investment news in such a way that every Jamaican can understand, no matter where in the world you live. Today, we are talking about something that every Jamaican living abroad needs to hear. The top 5 local investment opportunities that are perfect for Jamaicans overseas who want to build wealth back home. Whether you're in the US, Canada, UK, Cayman, the rest of the Caribbean, Europe, Africa, or anywhere else in the world, as a matter of fact, this one is for you. If you want more videos like this, please hit that like button right now and subscribe to the channel. It will really help the community grow. Plus, you will be notified when we release more content like this in the future. Let's face it, most Jamaicans living abroad send money home every month. According to the Bank of Jamaica, remittances hit over $3 billion last year. That's over 450 billion Jamaican dollars flowing into the island. But here's the question. What if instead of just sending money home for bills and groceries, you could make your money work for you right here in Jamaica? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. So let's jump into the countdown, starting with number 5. Number 5, real estate and short-term rentals. Real estate remains one of the most stable and profitable ways for Jamaicans abroad to invest locally. The beauty of this is that you don't have to live in Jamaica to earn from it. Areas like Kingston 6, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and even Mandeville, they are booming with new apartment developments and gated communities. Many developers are now offering pre-construction payment plans to make it easier for persons living overseas to invest gradually. But here's where it gets interesting. The short-term rental market. Platforms like Airbnb have exploded in Jamaica, especially in the tourist-heavy areas and even places like Portmore and even Draxall. A 1-bedroom apartment in Kingston can earn between, say, $100,000 and $200,000 a month on Airbnb, depending on the location, of course. Some owners are even earning more from Airbnb than from traditional tenants. The key tip here, if you're living abroad, partner with a local property manager or a reputable real estate company to handle bookings, maintenance, and payments. It's like owning a mini hotel from thousands of miles away. Now let's move to number 4. Investing in local stocks and unit trusts. The Jamaican Stock Exchange might not sound sexy, but here it is. Between 2015 and 2019, the JSE was ranked the best performing stock exchange in the entire world. That's right, beating even the mighty US markets. Companies like NCB, Wisynco, and like Grace Kennedy, they have shown long-term growth and consistent dividend payouts. If you're overseas, the good news is that you can invest online through licensed brokers like you have JMMB, NCB Capital Markets, you have VM Wealth, or Barita. Some even allow you to open the account remotely. The advantage here, of course, is that your money grows in Jamaican dollars, which means you can benefit both from the stock appreciation and the exchange rate movement over time. But if you prefer something safer and less hands-on, unit trusts are a great option. Of course, these are like pool investment funds managed by professionals, similar to mutual funds, where you can invest like in a mix of bonds, stocks, and real estate. Some of the top performing unit trusts in Jamaica have returned over 8 to 12% annually. Of course, that's far more than most bank savings accounts overseas. Now let's move to number 3, agriculture and agribusiness ventures. Yes, you heard right. Farming is back in style. Jamaica's agricultural sector is being modernized with technology, export demand, and of course government incentives. And for Jamaica and overseas, this is one of the most underrated investment opportunities. From greenhouse farming of vegetables like sweet peppers, lettuce, and like tomatoes, to large-scale production of crops like cocoa, sorrel, and like yams, there are new ways to earn without actually touching the soil. Companies like the Agro-Invest Corporation, the AIC owned by Spanish Town Road, they offer partnerships where investors can lease the land, they can build the greenhouse, and then you hire local farmers to manage the crop for you. The export market is also expanding fast, especially to places like Canada, the US, and like the UK. The global demand for Jamaican products is rising, especially for things like you have your Scotch bonnet pepper, your breadfruit, pimento. All of these, they are hot commodities overseas. A small 2-acre pepper farm can earn over 2 million Jamaican dollars per harvest cycle if you manage it properly. And for those who love the idea of passive income, some agri-tech startups now offer farm shares, digital investment models where you can invest online in specific farm projects and you earn profits from the harvest. It's like a stock market, but for agriculture. Now bear with me, we're getting closer to the top. Number 2, renewable energy and solar projects. Electricity in Jamaica is expensive, like seriously expensive. The average cost per kilowatt hour is nearly triple what you pay in the US. And that is why the solar energy market in Jamaica has exploded. The government's push towards renewable energy and the frequent power outages have created massive demand for things like solar panels, batteries, and backup systems. If you're living overseas, investing in local solar businesses can be a smart move. There are companies that install solar systems for homes, hotels, and even small factories. You can invest directly into one, or you can start your own with local partners. Another big opportunity is renting or financing solar systems for households that can't afford the upfront costs. It's like the solar as a service model. You install it, they pay a small monthly fee, and you earn steady returns. And if you're thinking long term, Jamaica's national energy policy aims to have 50% of the island's electricity coming from renewable sources by 2030. That means billions of dollars in investment opportunities are up for grabs in the next 5 years. Alright, and now we've reached number 1. Tourism and hospitality ventures. Tourism is the heartbeat of the Jamaican economy. And even after hurricanes and global shocks, it always bounces back stronger. Last year alone, Jamaica earned over $4 billion from tourism. And the government's new Blue Ocean strategy is encouraging more locals and diaspora investors to tap into this booming sector. But here's the key. You don't need to own a hotel to profit from tourism. Small guest houses, eco-villas, restaurants, tour companies, and even event spaces are popping up all across the island, driven by local creativity and overseas funding. If you live abroad, you can partner with a local operator, provide the startup capital, and share the profits. For example, an investment of about say 10 million Jamaican dollars, roughly 65,000 US dollars, could easily fund a small eco-villa in a high demand area like say Treasure Beach or even Negril. With proper marketing on Airbnb, Booking.com, and social media, you could easily see a return from about say 12 to 18% annually, not to mention the capital appreciation on the property itself. And don't forget about cultural tourism. Jamaicans overseas have an advantage. You understand both worlds. You can create experiences that attract foreigners looking for authentic Jamaican culture, food, music, history, and lifestyle. That's the new wave of tourism. Now, before we close, let's talk about one bonus opportunity: digital entrepreneurship and online businesses based in Jamaica. Thanks to the growth of e-commerce, remote work, and digital payments, Jamaica is slowly transforming into a Caribbean tech hub. Jamaicans abroad can now launch online businesses registered in Jamaica that target both local and international audiences. Whether it's online tutoring, digital marketing, real estate platforms, or content creation, digital ventures in Jamaica are low cost, high potential, and easily managed from overseas. For example, some Jamaicans in Canada are now launching online real estate platforms that connect diaspora buyers with Jamaican developers. Others are creating YouTube channels and podcasts that generate ad revenues from both local and foreign viewers. The barriers to entry have never been lower. So, let's recap quickly. The top 5 local investment opportunities for Jamaicans living overseas are: number 5, real estate and short-term rentals. Number 4, local stocks and unit trusts. Number 3, agriculture and agro-business. Number 2, renewable energy. And number 1, tourism and hospitality ventures. The truth is, you don't have to live in Jamaica to build wealth in Jamaica. With the right research, trustworthy partners, and a clear strategy, your money can start working for you from anywhere in the world. So whether you left Jamaica 10 years ago or 30 years ago, remember, your island still has endless potential waiting for you to tap into. Thanks for watching Money Talk JA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Jamaican financial insights. And click the video on the screen right now to learn more about post-hurricane investment opportunities that could shape Jamaica's future economy. Catch you in the next video.